here we have number 6. Given the vertex of the pre-image triangle DEF, D is 2, 5, E is 6, 3, and F is 4, 1. 1. What are the coordinates of the points after undergoing the following transformation, and describe in English what the transformation or transformations is. So let's grab the original points here. D is 2, 5, E is 6, 3, and then F is 4, 0. And these are the same points for all of them. So I'm just going to copy paste this over to all the other problems. All right. So let's do the first one. It looks like the X is added 3. Okay. So D prime is going to be 5 comma 5 because I added X to 3 to the X. D E prime looks like it is a 9 comma 3, and then F prime looks like it is a 7 comma 0. But notice this is right 3 units. Okay. But then notice it swaps. So it goes D double prime is 5 comma 5. E double prime looks like it is 3 comma 9. And then F double prime, it is 0 comma 7. So that when it's swapped, it is a reflection over y equals to x. Okay. B, this looks like a traditional problem. It's just adding 5 to the y. So that is just up 5 units, and it's only one transformation. So D prime, it is 2 comma 10. E prime is 6 comma 8. And F prime is 4 comma 3. Okay, notice this swaps. Interesting. It's a plus 2 to the X, so it is right 2 units, but it is swap, and then the y value changes sign. It does not look like a reflection. It looks like this is a rotation, right? We just have to figure out which rotation is it. So hold on, let me write my rules of rotation. So for 90, x comma y, hold on, let me write this to the side. For 90, x comma y becomes y negative y comma x. Oh yeah, it swaps on a 90 clockwise, right? Okay, here, let's see, hold on. Let's say it goes from here. Let's say this is 1 comma 2. Then for this, let's see, 1 comma 2, okay? And then it's gonna be here. Let's say 1, so this is negative 1 comma 2, so it is 2 comma negative 1, right? Yes, which is, and then it's the x value that changes. Okay, let's make sure the rules are right first, right? But here it keeps going. So for this, for it to swap like this from x comma y into negative y comma x, this is either a 90 counter clockwise or a 270 clockwise. Okay, so that would be the rule. So let's apply it. D prime, you want to negative the 5 and add 2 to the x, which is a 4. E prime, you add 3 to the 6, so that becomes 6, 7, 8, and negative the 3. F prime, it is a 0, and then you add 2 to the 4, that becomes 6. So that is right 2 units. 90 counterclockwise or 270 clockwise. Let me write this. This is a rotation. Okay. Last one. Interesting. Okay. Oh, this is the 90. This is the rule. So we know that the plus 1 on the y, this is up 1 unit. But then we see a swap and it is a negative x, right? So that is a swap and a negative x. So that is a 90 clockwise. So the x comma y arrow, y comma negative x, that is the 90 clockwise rotation. All right, so let's apply that. So this becomes a 6, and then this becomes a negative 2 for d prime. E prime, and this becomes a negative 6, and then this becomes a 4. F prime, this becomes a negative 4, and this becomes a 1. Right? You add 1 to the y, you swap it, then you negative the x. All right, there you go.